Good morning. I just thought I'd do a little test on this. Can you see it? Victure. That's a Victure AC400. I had to attach it to my handguard rail because I have no space on the handlebar for it. But anyway, what this is it's one of those cheap little cameras, kind of a GoPro knockoff. I got on I got on Amazon. I think it cost me something like 50 bucks or something, you know, and the darn thing, it comes with a whole box full of mounts that, I mean, you'd spend a week just figuring out how to use them, you know. It's got a lot of options. I have no idea what the quality will be like. And by the way, this is not my new camera that I said I was going to get a new camera for vlogging. No, this isn't it. I have decided on a new camera and it's on order, but I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. Not till I get it. So just for fun, we're going to test this out. See what it's like. I mean, it's a little 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has Wi-Fi. I think that's about it. I think it's, you know, it's just pretty basic, but for 50 bucks. 50 or 60 bucks. So I tried to line up the view on the camera as well as I could. It's got a 2-inch LCD screen on the back. It's another plus. But we'll see what the image is like. Maybe it's terrible. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe it's good. We'll find out. Average price people are paying is what, maybe around $400 to $600, I'd say, in that mark. So when you come across these little Chinese knockoffs that get good reviews and you can get them for about 60 bucks, I mean, you gotta look at it, right? I mean, it might be a good camera even just to mount, you know, sort of facing the rider, you know, for those clips where you cut to the rider view or to the view of the rider. A second or a third camera. So like I was saying, I have made a choice on my new camera, helmet cam, and it was a tough choice, but I think I made the right one. At least for me. Everyone's got their own preferences. There's a few good cameras out there. So I mean, I had to weigh it against the price, balanced against features and quality. Features count a lot to me. Image quality counts a lot. And then I've got to fit it into my budget. So I'm not, I don't have deep pockets, but I don't want to skimp either, you know, because then you regret it. It's a Saturday today and it's beautiful weather. Absolutely gorgeous. September, got to be one of the best months to ride, at least around here. So that's probably enough test on this little camera. And I'll see what I can put together in the editing.
We wash bikes.
Hey?
We wash that dog.
Sorry?
We even wash the dog. We wash it.
This bike doesn't get washed.
Come on.
I think I'll end this here. We'll see what this turns out like. You guys and girls have fun. Ride safe, eh? Thanks for joining me.